Khan Baba doesn't need any introduction. The most authentic fingers licking food, famous not only in Pakistan but across the globe. Started their business as a street vendors. Now it look like this. Here is spinach mutton, korma mutton, special signature dal, pulao mutton, special sauce for korma, all signature dishes of Khan Baba.
ये जो कुछ है अल्लाह ताला की मेहरबानी की वजह से है और जब तक इंसान कोई भी इंसान हो वो अपनी नीयत साफ रखेगा ना तो उसको बरकत पड़ती रहेगी अल्लाह की मखलूक भी प्यार करेगी और रब्बुल इज़्ज़त भी उसका ख्याल रखेगी।
एक और बात पूछना चाहता हूँ, बहुत से लोग ऐसे भी हैं बेचारे जो नहीं खा सकते, तो उनके लिए कोई ख़ास रियायत है, क्या करते हैं आप उनके?
वो आते हैं कुछ पैसे दे जाते हैं कुछ कहते हैं नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, वो हम उनको खाना इसलिए नहीं खिलाते, वो हमारा रिज़्क लेके आते हैं, हमें थोड़े भी दे जाते हैं हम ले लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं।
Check this well-cooked masaledar mutton chops. Good in size, looking really tasty, tantalizing my taste bud. Very soft and juicy beef kebab packed with all the secret masala. Here is another most delicious mutton naan. Mutton chop. Check this. Really juicy, succulent. A bit spicy, all the ingredients inside the kebab. Lovely taste. Most delicious keeme wala naan on earth. Let me try. What a taste. I never tried this kind of naan anywhere in the world. One of the best. Last but not least, this grilled soulfish was tender and tasty, absolutely fingers licking. Special soulfish. There are a few bones inside. Absolutely delectable. Actually, we ordered all the signature dishes. The most prominent are mutton pulao, palak gosht, beef kebab, mutton minced naan, lamb korma with salad chutneys and mutton chops as well. So this is Khan Baba most finger licking food. Fantastic taste. Beautiful, and the aroma is in the air. This yellow looking jaggery sweet rice, absolutely next level Desi dessert divine. Traditional Pakistani sweet delicacy. It's called Gur Wale Chawal, jaggery sweet rice. first time I tried sweet rice, but it's a great taste, very tasty, really nice. Beautiful. Now it's time to tell about their most delicious food on earth. I tried everything across the board and everything was absolutely delicious. Price is not reasonable, bit high. If you think about according to the Pakistani currency, it's bit high. But if you are a foreigner, it's not very expensive. Pocket friendly. For the foreigners, for the locals, it's a bit expensive. Okay, let's finally talk about the staff. Really friendly, attentive, very cooperative, down to earth.